Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma in React.js. We'll begin by understanding why integrating Figma designs into your React projects is so beneficial, streamlining your development workflow. Next, we'll prepare your Figma file, ensuring all layers and components are well organized for a smooth transition. Finally, we'll explore the various methods available for converting your design into functional React code, setting a strong foundation for your project. Now, let's dive into exporting your design assets from Figma. You'll learn how to efficiently export individual elements such as icons, images, and SVG graphics, ensuring they are ready for your React application. We'll cover Figma's export settings to achieve optimal file formats and sizes, which is crucial for performance. Additionally, we'll touch upon helpful plugins that can automate this entire process, saving you valuable time. Moving forward, we'll focus on integrating these designs directly into your React application. You'll learn to implement your exported assets and styles within your React components, bringing your design to life. We'll discuss using CSS and JS libraries, or standard CSS for styling, offering flexibility in your approach. The goal is to develop reusable React components that perfectly mirror your Figma design system, ensuring consistency across your project. To wrap things up, let's discuss some best practices and useful tools. It's essential to maintain a consistent design system, ensuring perfect harmony between your Figma files and React code. We'll explore various third-party tools and libraries that can significantly enhance this integration process, making it even smoother. Remember to regularly synchronize any design updates with your development workflow to keep everything aligned and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.